Good morning, 7-1. I'm going to walk you through what your work is for today and what will be due tomorrow so that you understand. So we're beginning in Schoology, and in Schoology, at the very bottom, is an assignment called How I Built This. It's also, if you just go to your main 7-1 history page, you will find that it is due for tomorrow. It's called How I Built This assignment. This is an assignment I'm hoping that you have fun with. What you were to do yesterday was listen to your podcast. You take notes as you listen, and then you're going to open up your company template in Schoology, copy to your drive, and then start to work on it. Today in class, you'll customize your slides, add images, and get it ready for tomorrow when I will call on each of you to make a short presentation about the company that you studied and offer some information. So down here is the template that you're to use, and if you click on that, it will take you to this. This is what your template is going to look like, and I made a couple changes, so I want to show it to you. So each of you are going to have your own, and each of these has a link. So if you go in, if I'm Avery, all I have to do is press the control button, click on this, and it's going to take me into Five Guys Burgers and Fries, and I'm going to learn about Jerry Morrell. It's a 39-minute lesson, and it should just start right away.
So we had like 9 different dishes with mayonnaise, and you had to take a little spoon, and everybody would taste the mayonnaise blindfolded.
Okay, so you listen to your podcast, which should be interesting for everybody. And each of these, you guys are going to really want to hear about how Whole Foods and Lululemon and Sweetgreen and Starbucks and SoulCycle and Instagram and JetBlue and Patagonia and Tate's Bake Shop and Airbnb, DoorDash. I want to learn about each of these from you guys tomorrow. So when you start working on your slides, you delete this slide because you know which one you're going to do, and you save it, and then you're going to put your company name in here. So you can just edit it, save it on your hard drive, and then edit it and start taking the stuff off for Panera. This is all the Panera stuff, so you can just basically delete it and then start to talk about, if you're doing Five Guys, you would put a picture of Five Guys in here, the founder, Jerry Morrell. So what I've done is it's pretty straightforward. You listen to the podcast, you then open up the template and you go in. And what I've done to make it easier for you guys is I've reduced the assignment to really just 4 slides. One is maybe a title slide, the founder, talk about the founding of the company, how they started it, talk about the idea behind it, and then what surprised you most. And if you would like extra credit, you could do the other 3, the need, how it grew, and the company today. But those will be extra credit if you would like to do that. So your basic assignment is to copy this. Then when you're done with it, save it on your hard drive as your own. Okay. And then when you've saved it, go back to Schoology and then go into submissions and submit it by tomorrow. There's a rubric for this, which is it's going to be worth 20 points. And you guys will be graded based on that. So I think that's all I need to have to say. That was just 3 quick minutes. Thanks for spending some time with me this morning, and I look forward to tomorrow's class and hearing about the different companies. Take care. Bye.